Hi guys! Mag-vlog na naman ako. Guys, bukas mag-vlog ulit ako. Kasi may pasok na bukas eh. Diba guys? Kulit yung buhok ko ngayon. Wait. Hi guys! Sasama ko na naman yung aking kapatid. Okay guys, wait. Guys, ay, ito na siya. Kulot yung buhok ko ngayon.
Please, come back to me. Wake up, sweetie. Stop sleeping. Our house is flooding.
Wait lang.
Seriously, Mom? It's quiet without me.
Pasok na kami bukas.
Wake up, sweetie. Stop sleeping. Our house is flooding.
I'm still sleepy, Mom. I stayed up too late last night.
Seriously? You're still sleeping while the house is flooding?
Kapag ako
Where am I? Mom, help me!
Sweetie, please hold on. Mommy's coming.
Mom, tell my snacks.
Sabi
I
ko
love them, Mom.
Sweetie, where are you? It's so quiet without you. Please, come back to me.
Seriously, Mom? It's quiet without me, huh?
Wake up, sweetie. Stop sleeping. Our house is flooding.
I'm still sleepy, Mom. I stayed up too late last night.
Ako lagi
Seriously? You're still sleeping while the
mag-vlog.
house is flooding?
Mamaya pagkain,
Alright, Mom, help me!
pagkakain na, magbablog kami. Ako. Wait lang guys. Guys, magbablog na naman kami mamaya pagkain. Ay, nasabi ko na pala yung name. Yung ko sana yung kulot yung buhok ko. Kaya na ako. Guys, yun na may pasok na bukas. Ano kasi may pasok na Lunes kasi bukas. Sinusundan ko lang to kapatid ko. Tignan niyo guys, wait lang. Ayan guys, kakain na naman siyang pampabang narinig. Ang ganda pala ng table niya.
Pati-unti na lang itong ibang hinga.
Ayan ah.
Favorite ko.
Guys, binuo niya to.
Hanggang gabi ako dyan.
Tsaka, sorry. Tsaka may milk.
Lagi naman niya nagugulo.
Oh. Dalawa guys, ano pa, mag-iipon pa siyang ganyan. Tapos, lalagyan na ng print. Okay guys, wait lang. Hi guys, dito na magkatapos yung vlog ko. Sorry kung ma-upload ko sa bye-bye.